everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all over the world. Thank you very much for coming. Hello, welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my prime. And please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for watching back in my premiere and in my videos. Thank you so much, big time to that. So in this video, I will be doing an unboxing, a review, and a try on, of course. So yay, third time collaborating with this company. Thank you so much, Hifoot company, for your generosity. So this is a very brief information about Hifoot company, guys. This is another online replica store, okay? So they do sales a lot of product, luxury product, bag, accessories, name the products that you really wanted to our everyday, fashion. So they do have a lot of that. They specialize the shoes too. So as of course Hifoot, right? So that makes sense. Okay, so I will be doing an unboxing, a review of my own personal thought, my personal opinion, and try on in this product. Okay, so they give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime in this product in exchange to my video, which is I am doing this now. Okay, so let's jump into the unboxing here. Okay, so I can't really wait to try this on, unbox of course first, and do my review of my own personal opinion. And definitely I will do, as I've said again, a try on in this outdoor try on. Okay, please see me more in the inside of this. Thank you. So here this is. Oh my god, flap bag, gold. Okay. So whoop. Oh wow, look at this. Maple. Chanel. Ooh. Wow. I like this. All right, so that's all. And oh wow, this bag is great condition. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, I can't wait. This is my first white purse. I mean from the unboxings, from all of the unboxings. Okay, so oh, this is beautiful. We will check this thoroughly. Look at that. Okay, and take this out. There it is, and it has three. Oh, hear that, guys? Zippers mold so perfectly. So that's the first pocket with zipper, and then there is another one, and there is another one. Wow, three pockets with this. So this is huge. I can use this when, especially also in winter time. I can put gloves on, wallet, in a good to go. Very pretty, beautiful. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Hifoot. Okay, let's take this off. Oh, well sailed. Oh, I think I need my scissor there. Final check for this. Stitches are in the right place. Oh my god, the material, guys, is so soft, not hard, not, oh, Everything is in perfect. Look at this. The chain, eh? And this. It is so gorgeous. Okay, everything is in the right place. The stitches are perfect. Gorgeous though. Oh my, thank you so much, Hifoot company, for this. Okie dokie, let's try this outdoor. What do you think? Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. This comes with a 2 handle, longer. I'm not so sure if I can put this cross, but we will see when I will be doing my outdoor try on, right? And this one too, you know, just like that. So gorgeous, isn't it? Ah, beautiful. With lots of pocket. One in the outside. With a lock secure, magnetic lock. Okay. And there are 3 pockets inside. One has zipper. There is a Chanel, as you can see that, and there is another Chanel in the zipper, this one, and there is another, just this level, Chanel. Okay. Oh, gorgeous, eh? Beautiful though. Super. I super love it. Thank you so much, Hifoot company. If I am going to give this a rate, I will give this 10 out of 10. Why? Because the quality is, the product is so, oh my god, this doesn't look really like a replica bag to me. To me, my own personal opinion. I have a leather bag, but this quality is unreal. This looks like soft original leather though. I can't wait to try this outside. Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. am unafraid. Yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. The melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet.